Hi everyone. So today we will learn how you can compare two dates using JavaScript and check if they are equal or not. So let's get started. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Link to our style sheet. Add the script file at the bottom, that is script.js. We need one container, one button, text will be check, one h1 element, and text will be result. On the click of this button, I want to show the result here, whether the dates are equal or not. Save it, go to style sheet, select the container, display will be flex direction will be column, align items will be center, justified content will be space between, and we'll give it a height of around 70 pixels. Now just save it, open this file in the browser, and this is the output. Now let's start working on the script file. So it will be btn check, it will be result, add event listener to the button, that is click. Now we'll create two dates using the dates object, and then we'll later compare them. So let's make it date 1. This will be the date object, and first of all it will have the year, so let's make it 2019. Then it will have the month, so let's make it 10. Then it will have the date, the actual date, so let's make it 12. Then it will have the hours, so let's make it 10. Then minutes 53, and then we'll put seconds, so let's make it 40. You can also specify milliseconds, but I will not do so. Now just save it, copy and paste, make it 2. Here we'll keep the year 2019 and we'll just simply change the month, so let's make it 11. Rest of the values will be same. Now to compare these two dates, we'll make use of getTime function. This function will return time in milliseconds between the Unix epoch date and the date which we have specified here. Now you may be thinking, what is Unix epoch date? Unix epoch date is January 1st 1970, and if you try to get the Unix timestamp for that specific date, it will always be 0. So if you want to know more about it, just simply Google it, because this video is about comparing dates, so I will not go too much into it. As I said, we are going to make use of getTime function to compare these two dates, and we are going to set the inner text for this h1 element. So let's compare them. Date1 dot getTime and date2 dot getTime. If they are equal, I want to show equal text, otherwise not equal. Now just save it, go to browser, click not equal. Let me make it 10, save it, click, and this is the output. If you want to know what is the output we'll get in case of this new date object, let me do a console log here. Let's make it date 1. Also we'll check what getTime function returns. Okay, save it, go to browser, open the console window, click, and you can see this is the date and this is the time in milliseconds. Let's console log the date 2 also. Just copy and paste and make it 2. Same goes here, save it, click. So you can see the time in millisecond is same in both the cases. If I'll make the month 11, click again, then I'll get this kind of output, and you can see the time in milliseconds is not matching, not even the dates. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.